Welcome to our channel. Today, we discuss something amazing: what happens in your brain when you're deeply in love. That rush of excitement, the constant thoughts, the butterflies, it's not just feelings. It's science. Imagine thinking about someone and feeling your heart race, your stomach flutter, and your mind can't stop replaying every moment. That's your brain lighting up. Love triggers the dopamine system, the same part that responds to food, money, or addictive rewards. Every thought about your partner feels like a reward. Your brain is literally saying, yes. This feels amazing, do it again. But it doesn't stop there. Being in love decreases activity in areas that control judgment and critical thinking. Like the prefrontal cortex. That's why we overlook flaws or take risks for the people we love. Your brain is wiring you to focus entirely on them. Here's something wild: love also activates the insula, the part of your brain that connects emotions and bodily sensations. That's why love feels physical: the flutter in your chest, the warm glow, even the tension before seeing them. Your emotions become body signals, and it gets deeper. Your brain releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone. It strengthens attachment, trust, and intimacy. That's why hugs, touch, and closeness feel so powerful. Your brain is literally wiring connection. Even memory changes. Being in love makes your brain encode positive experiences more vividly. You remember moments with them better than anything else. Love reshapes how your brain prioritizes experiences, making your relationship central to your thoughts and feelings. So next time you feel that intense pull towards someone, remember, it's not just emotion, it's your brain rewiring itself. Dopamine, oxytocin, and your emotional circuits are working together to make love addictive, thrilling, and unforgettable. If this video helped you understand what love does to your brain, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Have you ever felt your brain hijacked by love? Share your story, we'd love to hear it. Remember, being deeply in love isn't just in your heart, it's in your brain too.